It's your girl Daisy Flower Squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll always know each and every time I come on. So y'all been requesting this video with my whole family.
Hi guys!
And we're here,
It's
Super Bowl. Yeah, baby, and we here with a burping video.
Burping challenge.
Burping challenge.
I got Sprite. I have this juice.
Fresca.
And I have a juice box.
Oh yeah. So we got Sprite, A&W root beer, juice box, and we got Fresca. So how we gonna do this, you guys? We gonna take one turn at a time.
No,
Yeah.
we're all just drinking.
We're gonna all drink it and see who burped the best.
All right, guys, here we go.
Burp it up.
Turn up. Turn up on that
that.
A&W. Oh yeah.
I was first. I just burped.
Come on now, who gonna win this challenge?
I gotta put more.
Come on, Ma. Come on, Mom Dukes. Who gonna win this challenge?
Oh, I think she winning. Oh my gosh, she might be winning.
Hey, that was a big one. Okay.
I'm trying.
All right now. I don't know, I got y'all beat.
Mine's come out really light.
Yeah, it's so
I want a
light.
big burp.
So whitish.
I have an inside burp. See, I'm burping on the inside.
You know who used to burp loud? Monique.
Oh,
Is we going another time? Or?
No.
that's it.
I think who won the burping challenge, comment below.
Woo!
If you think it
Burp
was
squad.
Mimi, golden sister.
No.
Lexi, golden sister. Or the, number
Queen of the
one.
channel.
Or my sister, Chic, or Mom Dukes.
Comment below, guys.
Who do you think won the burping challenge?
Like, comment, and subscribe. If you pick me, just pick me, and I'll be so happy. You'll go to your house and get an award and stuff. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Pick me. Pick me.
Thank you.
Pick me.
Pick me.
Pick me.
Well, I think, in my personal opinion, I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah, I think she
No,
won too.
How do you think, Mom? Did she win?
Wow.
Good one.
I finished it. My dad juice.
Who
And
you
if
think
you're just
won?
not coming to this channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We would love for you to be part of the family.
Woo!
Woo!
Thank you, guys.